After listening to the audio sent to you today, you come to know what are stars? Twinkling stars which we see at night. They are actually very big in size and stars have their own heat and light. Children, we are able to see a number of stars in the sky at a time in the night. And some stars, they are in groups. And the wide band of stars in the sky at night is the Milky Way galaxy. You can see on your screen the Milky Way galaxy. It is called Akash Ganga. And the solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Some stars in the sky appear to form groups. These groups look like figure of animals and other things. Children, you can see on the screen also there are number of constellations like Ursa Major, Orion, Leo, Gemini and many more. These all are different types of constellations. Children, this is a globe, and using this globe I will perform one activity to show you how day and night are formed. I will place a torch in front of the globe in a dark room. The side of the globe facing the torch has light, so it is daytime over there, and the other side that is dark, so it is night on the other side of the globe. Now children, you can see torch in front of the globe. Now you can see that some part of the globe is receiving the light of the torch. So the part which is receiving the light of the torch is having day, and the part which is not receiving the sunlight is having night. Similarly, the part of the earth facing the sun gets sunlight. This is daytime. As the earth turns away from the sun, it becomes dark. This is night time. This is how the day and night occur. Children, you can also do this activity at home using torch and a ball. Instead of globe, you will use a ball. And after doing this activity, note down some part of the earth is receiving sunlight and some part of your ball is not receiving the light. So this is all about lesson number 3, the neighbors of our earth. Thank you, children.